Finally, one of the most annoying issues with the Mavic Air has been fixed, at least for iOS. Stay tuned, I'm gonna go ahead and explain. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm your host, Original Dobo, and if you're new around here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. Today, DJI pushed out a very important update to their iOS DJI GO 4 app, and it fixes one of the most annoying things about the Mavic Air, and that is the ability to switch from internal storage to SD card support. Now, previously when I would film with my Mavic Air, it would automatically, for some reason, default to whatever storage was originally selected, and in this case, it would be the internal storage. Now, I don't know about you, but if you've ever tried to pull something off of an internal hard drive, it is very slow trying to transfer those files back. Well, with the new update, which is 4.2.8, we now have the fix we were looking for. You have an Android device. Unfortunately, the last update to the Android device for DJI GO 4 has been February 18th. I really don't understand why Android is like the redheaded stepchild of the DJI world, because it just makes sense with open source and the ability to easily and quickly push updates out that we would see it. But actually, I'm sorry, February 6th, 2018. February 6th, 2018 was the last time the DJI GO 4 app received an update for Android. That to me is really appalling because there's a significant number of users that prefer Android over iOS, so I really hope that gets fixed. Another thing I did notice with the Android app is that the OTG still does not work with the DJI Spark. I can get it to like fly up in the air, but I cannot see any of my telemetry data, which is a really big bummer because I prefer this screen over my iPhone 10 screen. I think it's just a little bit larger, and for some reason out in the sun this seems a little bit more legible than the iPhone 10. If you are on iOS, you can go ahead and head over to the App Store and click the update button, and you should see the 4.2.8 update. There's also some fixes for the Inspire 2, but specifically I'm just speaking to Mavic Air pilots. You're going to want to download this update because footage will now be stored directly to the SD card by default when a card is inserted, which is awesome because I was driving myself nuts with this little guy trying to find out where my footage was, and it ended up being on the internal storage. So that's gonna do it. Just want to go ahead and put this video out on the latest update. Again, fortunately for you guys on Android, we still have to wait. That sucks. I don't know why. DJI, stop being so freaking biased. Come on. That's gonna do it, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And again, as always, I wanna thank you so much for being a part of my channel, and I will catch you in the next one.